Welcome to Wrong Time Watch. My name is Kevin, and in this video, we're taking a look at something a little different. Knife I had purchased a while ago. Um, Not much of a knife guy, but let's take a look at this knife. This is the viper-tec medium black VF-1 double action out the front knife. If you're not much of a knife guy like me, then double action means that it will come out automatically and then will come back in. So push this button here, the blade comes out, then pull the button back and the blade comes back. They do have some automatic out the front knives that are single action, meaning that it will fire out, but then you need to pull a lever back to retract the blade. So anyway, the price on this one is about $100 according to their website. I paid less than that. So overall length with the blade extended is 7.75 inches. The blade length here, blade length is 3.25 inches. Blade thickness, 0.11 inches. And then the blade width, this the dimension this way, that is 0.75 inches. And the blade material is 440C stainless steel. The handle material is zinc alloy. So that gives you an overall weight of 6.8 ounces. It feels quite heavy to me. The first out the front knife I bought was the Lightning out the front, and that's quite a bit lighter than this. So that's basically it for the knife video here. I've not used it much. I'm actually going to give this knife away. It has a glass break thing on here with a little lanyard loop. The clip, I don't know about this clip. It really ramps up quite a bit. So me, I would always be catching this on something. And I'm assuming you can twist this off and remove the clip, but I'm not going to mess around with that. So I guess it feels okay in hand. It's a pretty good size. I will leave a link to this knife in the description below if you wanted to go buy this for yourself. I've never handled the Benchmade or Microtech or any of the higher end brands to know if this amount of blade play is okay. I know it's not all that easy to see on camera. I'm wiggling it back and forth, and then also you have blade play in this direction. If I can show that on camera or not. But it's always kind of fun to play around with, like a fidget toy. You can see viper-tec engraved in the handle here. And again on the clip. So that will conclude today's video. As always, thank you for watching, and I'll catch you on the next video.